The stock market hates uncertainty. The doji is synonymous to uncertainty. I am Kingsley, and this is Lions King Forex Academy, where we raise disciplined traders. When the market rises and the market is overbought and the doji appears after a long green candlestick has already been built, the Japanese says that the market is tired and it can automatically lead to a trend reversal. In some cases, or in most cases, the appearance of a doji don't necessarily means that the trend will reverse immediately, but the market is prone to change in the long run. What are the different types of doji? We have the normal doji, we have the long-legged doji, we have the dragonfly doji, and we have the gravestone doji. All of them tell the same story, which is a trend reversal. Okay, stay with me. Let me show you one of my live accounts where I won trades using the doji candlestick pattern. But remember, do not rely only on the doji trend reversal signal. You have to use other indicators, maybe like the moving average, the RSI, and you must remember that you have to wait for 1 or 2 candles to build after a doji has been built. Okay, and that was a win using the long-legged doji. Yeah, remember, in this kind of a trade, you also have to confirm it with, I use a 30 minutes candle frame, and 1 hour we also have a doji here. Then for the 30 minutes we have a doji here, and we also have a confirmation before we started trading. You understand? So you can see there's a live account. We trade on the 15 minutes candlestick pattern. If you zoom out, you can see it's a bullish trend, and this is our trend line, and it came, this is our support. And remember, if you are placing your support zone, if you're trading a 15 minutes candlestick, you're using 30 minutes candlestick to place your support. You can see price came here, landed here, pop. So it landed there, went up, though it came, ignored this, landed there, went up multiple times, went up, forgot about this, and then it came back here, landed there, went up, landed here again, so went up, landed here again and went up. So it landed up multiple times. That's why we use that as our support. And if you check, we'll be winning this candle. Why did we enter this candle? Is because of this particular doji here. You'll be waited after this green candlestick build. So when this green doji came up, it is an indicator that the buyers are coming in and the sellers are weak. And we set our stop loss and take profit, which we will be winning this trade. I told you about the live trading pro signal, though I installed it in my IQ option. It's here. You can see it came and it came down below this 5, showing that there will be a trend movement upward. You understand? And that's what is happening here. As you can see it came down here, went up, came down here, it went up, it came down here, it went up, and all that. And it came down here, you can see, and it must surely go up. So let's go back to our, okay, where we're about to take our profit. Remember, we're taking our profit at 200 points. And remember, I told you, yeah, you can see we won this trade. Live trading session I took. This is I entered the trade in this long-legged doji candle, but I did not just hope on it. I have to wait till another green confirmation comes before I enter this trade, and I entered it at this price here. Then I've already taken, I just took profit. That's about $16.30. Now, what are the conditions I use in trading this? Number 1, it's the candlestick pattern, this long-legged doji candlestick pattern. Number 2, I have to wait for my RSI this RSI, the 20, the bottom should be touched or closed before I took this trade. Number 3, I have this moving average 25, 50 and 100 moving average. As you can see, the yellow 25 must be apart from the green and also from the white. Then when it's arranged like that, you can take the trade. And also we also know that this is like an uptrend. I drew my trend line and all that, you understand. So I traded and boom, the trade entered for me. I've been building this account. It's a small account. I have plenty of accounts. I've been building this account. I think I funded this account, I think 104. That was 2 days back. 2 days back, 104. I prefer. I didn't want to show this, though. I'll show it when I just have a target of between less than a month to build this to $1,000. Then I can just show a proof of my trading. The next candlestick pattern I use that works very well for me is the hammer and the shooting star candle. This is how the hammer candle looks like, and this is how a shooting star candle looks like. Now, the long wick of the hammer and the shooting star candle must be 2 or 3 times longer than the real body that was formed. If your hammer candle appears at a decline of a trend, it means a possible trend reversal. Remember, you have to wait for 1 or 2 candlesticks to build before you enter a trade, and also use other indicators. Same thing with a shooting star. If a shooting star candle appears at the top of a trend, that's the overbought, it indicates a possible trend reversal. Okay, this is an example of a hammer candle stick pattern. I just said we just want to trade here. We entered the trade with this hammer candlestick. When we saw this, we saw an indication. You will also have to look at the RSI. It has to be, you can see it has been oversold. You can see it has been on the 20 for a very long time. We have to wait. When we saw that, we also look at this indicator. We wanted to trade, but this was not a full candle, so we waited again, because there's a long wick here at the top and at the down, so it looks like an indecision, you understand. So we have to wait until we have a full like this before we now enter the trade. At this, you can see it here, and we want the trade. Thank you for staying in my channel. Remember, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.